Restaurants, hotels, condominiums, and other hospitality businesses have flocked to synthetic teak furniture over the past decade. There are many reasons that synthetic or faux teak is arguably the most popular choice for the hospitality industry. It looks great, lasts a long time, and it is low maintenance. While the accolades are too numerous to include here, there is one issue that is like kryptonite to a synthetic teak table. This one fatal flaw could be a deal breaker for some and force restaurant owners to seek commercial steel, high-pressure laminate, natural teak, or aluminum furniture alternatives. The issue is that when a footed wine glass or any similar footed beverage glass is placed directly on the synthetic teak and left in direct sunlight, the rays of the sun can cause the faux teak plastic to bubble and melt. The glass foot acts similarly to the magnifying glass in the hands of a curious toddler to burn ants. The footed glass concentrates a beam of light onto the resin plastic of the synthetic teak, causing it to bubble, melt, and become disfigured in just a few minutes. While this problem is known to exist and manufacturers warn all buyers before the purchase and upon receipt of their synthetic teak delivery, the issue is not relevant to many restaurants and it can be mitigated in many ways. Eateries and establishments that do not serve alcohol or use footed glasses directly on top of the faux teak need not worry, nor do those with covered patios or that receive little direct sun exposure or who use coasters or who don't use footed glass will not have to worry about this issue. In fact, it is a small percentage of potential venues that need to be concerned about the bubbling issue, and they tend to be some wineries and breweries with exposed tables and heavy use of glassware, as well as those upscale dining experiences with cocktails. Some have so desired the synthetic teak tables that they mandate the use of coasters or buy replacement faux teak slats to replace damaged ones. If you are considering the purchase of synthetic teak tables for your hotel, restaurant, or other venue, call us to discuss the space and experience that you offer patrons to decide if you need to be concerned with the bubbling issue of the synthetic teak.